Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So as you guys can see from the title down below, I got a camera finally. So let me give you guys the backstory, right? So I originally used my phone to vlog and to do videos. Like right now it's being recorded on the iPhone, but recently my iPhone battery kind of go, so it started overheating. So basically as me start video, the battery go down and you feel the phone get hot. So I decided I need to get a camera. I did buy a camera some time ago, and when it got here it ended up not being good quality. The quality was worse than my phone. It was a bad quality. Very bad quality, as Shaik said. It can't even take a good picture, like seriously. Anyways, so so I reached out to Fast Print. That's a store. Big up yourself. Yes, big up yourself. I reached out to Fast Print and asked you know, if they had any cameras, and he told me that he had a camera, one of his personal cameras. So this is a second-hand camera, basically, not really new. Basically he has a camera that he doesn't really use because he's not really a fan of Canon. So I said, all right, how much? I need to tell him how much feet. I'm like, okay. And he sent me a picture of the camera, sent me, you know, and I went and I looked at the camera and I realized camera looked good, and you know, persons were giving it good reviews. So I said, for a camera, you know, that I'm just starting out with, it could actually work. So Monday gone, today's Thursday actually. So Monday gone, I went to the town and I went and bought the camera. So introducing you guys to my new camera, my new vlog camera, my new video camera, everything, because I'm gonna give my phone a rest after this video. So this probably be not the last video, but the last video that all of my videos, because you know, probably like when I'm going to school I won't carry the camera, so I'll have to still use the phone. So yes, so this is the camera. It is the Canon EOS M10, and it's a nice camera, not gonna lie to you. So yes, and it comes with a flip up screen. So this is what sold me actually, the flip up screen business. Yeah. Alright, so the camera, I'm not gonna tell you guys how much I paid for it, only too fast. Anyways, so the camera, he actually gave me a memory card in it. However, I had a different memory card in my GoPro, which was a 8 gig. The memory card he gave me in this was a 4 gig, so I switched them. So right now I have the 8 gig in this. So yeah, I do think I need to buy a battery, like another battery, because you know, like traveling, I'm going to have the one battery, and the one battery probably won't be enough, you know, if I'm going to go out very far. However, I think I'll test this tomorrow because I should be going somewhere tomorrow. Let's see. I'm gonna try and vlog a lot to see how long the battery lasts and all of that. So yes, I'm going to fully charge the battery so that I can give you guys the full review in the next, you know, next videos to come. But for today we're just going to look at the camera and, you know, all of those things. I'm not gonna lie, I did take some pictures on it, so I just turned it on. We use this button right here to turn it on, and then you have to, when you turn it on, you see this on it. Ooh, come to something, you see this on it, and it says set the lens to the shooting position. So you have to open your lens. So I have to open the lens, and then I can see you guys, and I'm going to flip up so you can see what I'm seeing. So I'm seeing you guys right now. And by the way, the tripod that's right here at the moment is what I'll be using, right? So yeah, anyways, so the quality is fine. It seems to be the same quality as my iPhone, so as you guys can see, it's pretty okay. It also has touchscreen, so good. Yeah, and it can take pictures, it can take portrait picture and all of that, so basically doing the same thing my phone can do. Only thing is that I can use my phone and I can also use my camera, so it kind of saves me a little. Hey guys, Editing Shaki here. So I did do a video, you know, to show you guys how the quality was and all of that, so check that out in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked, please give a big thumbs up, and guys, if you are not yet subscribed, what not do, please go down, press that subscribe button, press that bell. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.